Tell me, are you struggling to understand and absorb the brand new PRINCE2 7th edition methodology? Well, I don't blame you. Hi there, I'm Dave from Projex Academy, and I've got some great news for you. You've probably seen this quote before: the digital revolution, speed of change, rise of agile ways of working, increased life aspects, volatility and uncertainty. All of this means project management must evolve and contribute to an organization's response to these changing circumstances in order to enable successful management of your project investment. And it probably won't have escaped your attention either that there is now a brand new PRINCE2 7th edition. So what exactly has changed from the older version? Well, people are and always have been central to successful projects and are now integrated into the PRINCE2 7 method. The key areas of focus here is leading successful changes, leading successful teams, and most important of all, communication. So people factors now permeate the 7 PRINCE2 principles, and for that reason show their importance in these principles, including practices and processes. A new addition is sustainability. This has now been added as a 7th aspect of project performance, joining the traditional time, cost, scope, quality, risk, and benefits. And in order to meet the evolving needs of project management professionals, there is now a digital and data management approach, bringing the number of approaches within the PID to 9. You see, systems and data play a major part in reviewing progress. Data may originate from a system where the data is integrated and accessible, and this information is absolutely key for being able to track, manage and monitor project progress. Accompanying the new 7th edition is a brand new manual. This stretches to a massive 347 pages. It contains approximately 170,000 words, 43 detailed figures, 45 sets of tables, and 19 management templates. So quite a lot of new information to absorb. But don't worry, because here at Projex Academy, we are proud to announce our new online video-based self-study PRINCE2 7th edition Masterclass. All of the slides and videos and information have been totally redesigned to meet the challenges of PRINCE2 7th edition. And I am 100% confident that our self-study PRINCE2 Masterclass is guaranteed to gain your PRINCE2 practitioner status. So what does it look like on the inside? Well, I have designed it to be in 6 major parts. Each part has 3 modules, and each module has several video lessons. Notice that it meets in full the PRINCE2 exam syllabus, and each module has an accompanying handbook. And the masterclass consists of 199 streaming videos teaching you in easy-to-absorb, bite-sized chunks. Don't worry, some of these videos are only 4 or 5 minutes long, while others might extend to around 10 to 15 minutes, making it easy for you to prepare for your PRINCE2 exams. You get 18 accompanying handbooks containing workshop exercises, along with sample foundation and practitioner exam questions. Yes, of course, they'll have the answers and the rationale. And included in our masterclass, you get the full PRINCE2 7th edition Foundation and Practitioner official syllabus and learning objectives to make sure you don't miss a thing. Just a few slides here to give you a sample of our brand new dynamic step-by-step full-color slides. So you really won't miss a thing. As you can see, I've taken the rather text-dense PRINCE2 manual and refined it into key information-rich slides. As you'd expect, there's a lot more emphasis on agile in this latest version, and once more I've given you lots of vital information in a pictorial format to help bring alive the topics and enable you to grasp the full syllabus in your exam preparation. So don't worry, I will get you through. I guarantee that you will love our PRINCE2 7th edition Masterclass and consider it the very best investment in yourself you have ever made. So become a PRINCE2 practitioner. Sign up for your PRINCE2 7th edition Masterclass today. So from me, Dave of Projex Academy, until we meet up again, it's bye for now.